Again, storage under the double bunk, the ladder as on the other side, even more storage, of course. Okay, I kept my scuba diving gear sets here. Of course, even more storage. This one is even empty. Fans in all cabins, same as in the saloon. And this head, I just put a bar, so this is like a wet gear locker. So here I have my wetsuits, offshore gears, and I put a washing machine. So this is a mini Dow, excellent. You can run it off the solar panels. Using only 20 liters of water, you could put a lot. 3 kilos seems a little, but it's actually quite a lot. Okay.